Autohaus of Naples. I'm Haley.
And I'm Leyton.
And two
is better than one.
Today we have such a cool car for you guys. We have a 1970 Chevelle, the 50 SS 396. It's such a fantastic car. This is so cool. I'm really excited about that. So at the very front you have a very cool and distinct grille. This is just the iconic front grille, and it's got 4 headlights that are in absolutely fantastic condition. Like, come look at the headlights right here. They're gorgeous, super clear. It's shocking that this is a 1970.
The chrome in the bumper is in great shape.
Yeah,
it's just really iconic.
It's gorgeous. I love the front look of this car is what gives a Chevelle such a distinct look. Like, you see the front of that coming up behind you and you know it's a Chevelle.
Especially a 70 Chevelle.
Yeah, this car is in fantastic condition. The front wheels, we've got the Nitto 245/30 ZR20s, and they're on custom polished RIDLER wheels. Notice the WILWOOD Disc Brakes all around the car. They're in fantastic condition. And just the lines on the car as well, it's really absolutely gorgeous. There's no rust, imperfections on the body. It's absolutely rare to find a Chevelle in condition like this.
Yeah, back in the day it was 2.4 million were built, but nowadays it's pretty rare to find one.
Right. And on the rear back there, you've got the Nitto Monster 295/35 ZR20s. Absolute beast of a wheel back there.
Great condition.
Yeah,
I really like
they're
this.
Phenomenal. I love the look. It's a super great look on this. And then even on the back here, you have a great, again, you've got the chrome around the back, the SS badging, Chevelle by Chevrolet. It's so iconic. When you see the back of this car, you know it's a Chevelle. It's beautiful. Let's open up the trunk. A smaller key, maybe.
Square way?
I think it's this way.
There we go. Wow.
Ooh, check that out. Trunk space is amazing in a car like this.
Super spacious.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the carpet. It's in great condition for the year. I mean, it's rare to find cars like this.
Oh, it's basically, you know, unheard of to see a car in this condition with that felt and everything. And even just look at the stickers up above. They're still in like great condition for a 1970.
Yeah,
it's
no
beautiful.
rust, nothing.
Yeah. Awesome. Love that. Just look at the lines on the car too.
Great condition, no nicks.
It's beautiful.
No dents.
Having a car in this condition is awesome. Let's pop the hood. Check out underneath that engine. So yeah, Chevelle's gonna be a unique one. So you're gonna have, let's see, right here, we're gonna pull that out, pull it up. Awesome, pull it up.
Wow.
That super clean. It's absolutely immaculate. So underneath the hood, you're gonna have a big block 396 engine. Absolutely stunning. It's a true 1974 speed 396 motor. And it's not the motor that came stock in this car, but it's been rebuilt and upgraded. As you can see, there's been a lot of work done on it. But it's super reliable, very smooth. Underneath here, you've got the FiTech fuel injection system, and it's actually programmable based on your driving style. So if you want to go really fast, you can, but if you want to kind of just drive on the street, you can do that as well. Gorgeous car.
Perfect for us.
And you got the WILWOOD brakes. Yeah, right.
Our 2 different driving styles.
Yeah, we got grandma on the streets, or you can actually drive like you want to drive the car. Okay, let's go for our test drive now.
Let's do it.
Perfect. Start up this engine. See what that big block can do.
the windows up?
Yeah, let's roll the windows up. Get rid of some of that wind noise.
I just can't believe how great of a condition this car is in for the year. I mean,
right.
I've really never seen anything like it. It's so cool. Got this really unique gear shifter. Down here we have the temperature gauge.
Oh, and there's that the Tech monitor right there. So if you want to control the settings and change kind of how it's driving, you can definitely do that. I love the steering wheel as well.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Yeah, it's just nice with the spokes, and it's just such a thin steering wheel as well.
Yeah,
it's really
it's different than what we're used to.
Yeah,
for sure.
Exactly. They've definitely changed up the style, but I really like that. And the speedometer.
Got a clock right there, which I think is pretty cool. And we have the AC here. And when they rebuilt the engine is when they took the compressor out, correct?
Yeah,
So
it has the factory, you know, AC and everything, so if you wanted to get that added back in,
you definitely could.
yeah, someone could put that AC compressor in and everything.
But what a cool gauge. You don't see cars like that anymore. Yeah.
I love that.
Just the interior, the stitching here is in great shape.
Yeah, the whole car, the interior is absolutely phenomenal. It's been maintained and restored very well, you know?
Yeah, it's a great show car. I mean, it's been to multiple car shows.
Yeah. It was mainly the last owner was like the main owner, and he just took it to car shows and kept it in the garage.
How cool.
Which
love these seats. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I love how the silver on the seats, it's that same stripe that's on the exterior, that painted on silver. Well, not painted on the seats, but painted on the outside.
But no, I mean, just look at the condition. It's crazy.
And they're also really, they're comfortable. They're really cushioned.
They are.
I love this. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. It's like
so cool.
Everyone's looking at
Oh, yeah.
Like every car you drive by, you see the heads turning as you're going.
Yeah. They're like, how did they find a car like that?
Is that a Chevelle? Like, how often do you see a Chevelle driving down the street? It's gorgeous. And it's fun to drive too. I like how the noise it makes.
Yeah, how does it drive? I mean, being in that seat, I'm fairly comfortable.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth. It accelerates really nice.
I mean, yeah, back in the day, this was like the most popular mid-size car.
Chevelle, but I want one for myself.
Me
I
too.
could drive that car every day. I love it.
Super cool.
Yeah, well, so this was our 1970 Chevelle at Autohaus of Naples. Make sure and subscribe to our YouTube. Check out our social media, all of that stuff. Check out our website for our other cars and this car.
And let us help you drive your dream.